Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope that you and your loved one will be safe and sound at your home. And today's topic is the parrot's visit and activities, book activities from book page number 12. And today we will discuss some rules for solving the book activities regarding book page number 12. And let's see what are the rules one by one. And today topic is punctuations. Punctuation shows where a thought or an idea ends and a new one begins. पंक्चुएशन क्या बेसिकली ये बयान करती है, ये बताती है कि इससे आइडिया हमें ये होता है कि एक बात कहाँ मुकम्मल हो रही है या कहाँ ख़त्म होती है और दूसरी कहाँ से स्टार्ट होती है। एक सेंटेंस कहाँ ख़त्म होता है, दूसरा सेंटेंस कहाँ स्टार्ट होता है, एक चीज़ का ताल्लुक दूसरे से क्या है, और मुख्तलिफ़ चीज़ों को सेपरेट करने के लिए यूज़ की जाती है। लेट्स सी। पंक्चुएशन इज़ रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय पंक्चुएशन मार्क. It means it has some symbols that can be used for representation. Examples: inverted commas, yes. Capitalization, exclamation mark, comma, full stop, question mark, apostrophe. Dear students, these are the punctuation mark. Here we will study just a few punctuation, and then another lecture we will study further punctuation. Let's try to understand one by one. First one, inverted commas. Inverted commas are used to quote the exact words said by someone. Here is an example. The boy said, "This book is mine." The sentence, "This book is mine," it's a exact word. That is why it's in the inverted commas. स्टूडेंट्स, ये क्या है? एग्जैक्ट वर्ड है, इसी वजह से ये क्या है? इन्वर्टेड कामर्स है। और इन्वर्टेड कामर्स की डेफिनेशन क्या है? इन्वर्टेड कामर्स आर यूज्ड टू कोट द एग्जैक्ट वर्ड। जब हम किसी बात को, किसी पर्सन्स की बात को एज इट इज़ बयान करते हैं, उसी तरह बयान करते हैं, तो कोट करते हैं, तो क्या है? तो हम वहाँ पर क्या यूज़ करते हैं? इन्वर्टेड कामर्स. लेट्स सी द अनदर एग्जांपल. दिस बुक इज़ माइन. दिस बुक इज़ माइन. What's the difference between these two sentences? It means we can use the inverted commas at the beginning, or in the mid of the sentences, or at the second part of the sentence. First sentence contains two parts, and this sentence also contains two parts. Okay, let's move ahead. Capital letters. Capital letters it means the first letter should be capital. Capital letters are used to start a new sentence. Example: Meerab is doing hard work honestly. Meerab is the first letter of the sentence, that's why M is a capital. For proper noun, example: Hira and Anmol. Anmol is not the first word of the sentence, and it's the name of a person, that's why it's a specific person, that's why it's a first letter is capital. Next one is the full stop. We know very well that full stop is used at the end of the sentence. It means when the sentence ends, we use the full stop. For example, I'm not feeling well. Here we can see that the full stop is used at the end of the sentence. Third one is the comma. Comma is used for separating the different things. मुख्तलिफ चीज़ों को अलग करने के लिए हम क्या यूज़ करते हैं, कामास. It can the things will be can be a okay names. Mira, Bisma, Faiza and Jannat are good friends. It means here we are using for separating these persons. What we are using comma. If you don't use the comma, what will happen? It becomes a single person. It becomes a Mira, Bisma, Faiza. It become a single name. ये क्या, अगर हम डेयर स्टूडेंट्स अगर हम कामा यूज़ नहीं करेंगे तो उसका असर ये होगा कि उसका इम्पेक्ट ये होगा कि ये एक सिंगल नेम बन जाएगा. सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल, आई हैव न्यू पेन, इरेजर, स्केल, ज्योमेट्री एट्सेट्रा. इट मीन्स comma is used to separate names and things. Here we can easily understand pen, eraser, scale, geometry, and these are the separate things, and comma is showing their separation. Next is the exclamation mark. Exclamation mark is used to express certain feelings of happiness. Wow, we won the match. Exclamation mark is used to express certain feeling of happiness, sadness and surprise. First one is the happiness. Wow, we won the match. Second one is the sadness. Alas, Shiza failed in the test. Here we can see that this symbol. Exclamation. This one. Next one is the surprise. Look, it is very beautiful dress. It means it's the surprise things. Question mark is used at the end of the interrogative statement. एक ऐसा सेंटेंस जिसमें हम सवाल पूछते हैं, उसके लास्ट में हम क्या यूज़ करते हैं, क्वेश्चन मार्क. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, हु इज़ द किंग इन द फॉरेस्ट. Dear students, I hope that you will be able to do the book exercise related to the activity, that is the activity is creative writing. Activity is creative writing, and you have to understand these rules for solving the book activities, page number 12. Dear students, make your sincere and best effort for solving the creative writing activity, and you have to use the punctuation mark and capital letters. And dear students, take care of yourself and your loved one. Thank you.